Have you ever pondered on the intricate dance of the global economy and the significant role precious metals play in it? It's a fascinating tale of supply and demand, market trends and economic indicators. Let's delve into this narrative, shall we? Once upon a time in the land of Mexico and Peru, the two largest producers of silver production plummeted to its lowest in 14 years. This shortage, coupled with gold's spectacular leap to record highs, sparked a new bull market for precious metals. It was as if the stage was set for an economic drama, and the world held its breath. Simultaneously, the financial titans, the billionaires and major institutional investors began to sell their stocks, shifting their assets to cash. Tech funds experienced massive outflows, a sign that painted a vivid picture of a potential market crash or recession looming on the horizon. The economic tide was turning and the waters were becoming turbulent. In the United States, the M2 money supply started contracting, an ominous sign historically preceding recessions and economic contractions. As if echoing this shift, home prices began their descent, contributing to the contraction of the money supply. The signs were all there, pointing towards a storm brewing in the economy. In the East, China was gripped by panic buying of physical gold and silver. The sight of people queuing up to purchase precious metals was reminiscent of past bull markets, like the one in the late 70s and early 80s. It was as if history was repeating itself, and the East was bracing for the storm. With these indicators, one could not help but feel we were teetering on the edge of what could be the greatest crash in history. As a safety measure, some began acquiring precious metals, a safety belt of sorts against the impending economic turmoil. And what of the prices of these precious metals? They were expected to skyrocket to levels like $3,000, $5,000 or even $10,000 per ounce, a reflection of the accelerating currency devaluation and the flow of institutional money into gold and silver. In conclusion, this unfolding story of the global economy points towards a major bull market for precious metals amidst a potential financial crash. The dwindling silver supply, the economic warning signs and the panic buying of metals in the East all signal the start of a unique chapter in our economic history. It's a tale that underscores the importance of understanding market trends, economic indicators, and the vital role of precious metals in the global economy.